In the heart of India's industrial landscape, a legacy of excellence shines bright. Welcome to Datre Corporation Limited, a trailblazer in high-chrome casting, redefining durability and precision for the global mining industry. As an ISO 9001:2015 certified MSME, we craft the future of grinding mill liners, powering the world's toughest mining operations: copper, gold, and iron ore. For over a decade, Datre Corporation has been a trusted partner to composite mill liner manufacturers, delivering high-chrome castings that stand up to the harshest conditions. Our high annual production capacity fuels industries worldwide, from mining to cement, railways to steel plants. With a relentless focus on quality, innovation, and sustainability, we're not just a supplier, we're a cornerstone of progress. Our high-chrome castings achieve hardness levels exceeding 60 HRC, ensuring unmatched wear resistance for grinding mills. Every piece is crafted with precision, meeting international standards and exceeding expectations. What sets Datre apart? It's our mastery of metallurgical and mechanical expertise. Our high-chrome white iron castings, infused with alloys like molybdenum, are engineered for durability. Our dual medium quenching process delivers hardness and toughness, making our liners the backbone of efficient mineral processing. From design to delivery, every step is meticulous. Our continuous molding lines ensure consistency, while advanced heat treatment optimizes performance, delivering liners that fit perfectly into composite designs. With over 125,000 pieces produced and over 125 unique profiles, ranging from 20 kg to 500 kg, we cater to the diverse needs of global OEMs. In the mining industry, downtime is the enemy. Datre's high-chrome casting and liners keep mills running longer, grinding tougher, and producing more. Whether it's copper in Chile, gold in Australia, or iron ore in Brazil, our castings and liners empower miners to extract value efficiently. Our liner casting protect mill shells, optimize grinding media movement, and reduce maintenance costs, driving profitability for our partners. As an MSME, we're agile, innovative, and deeply connected to our community. From Falta to the world, Datre's reach is global. Our castings for liners power mills across continents, earning the trust of OEMs and miners alike.